Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Cool Ideas channel, where we don't just talk about cars, we talk about electric cars. Today, we're diving into the Skoda Elroq, a compact electric crossover that's about to make you rethink your love affair with gas guzzlers. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the Skoda Elroq. This compact crossover is 4.5 meters of pure design perfection, featuring a sharp, angular exterior that looks like it just stepped out of a fashion magazine. The Elroq offers power options ranging from 170 to 286 horsepower, which, let's be real, is like having a buffet of horsepower. You can start with the Elroq 50, which gives you 170 horsepower and a 55 kilowatt-hour battery. It might not win the drag race, but it will certainly get you to the grocery store in 9 seconds flat, with a maximum speed of 160 kilometers per hour. That's 99 miles per hour. Now, if you fancy yourself a little more speed, the Elroq 60 comes in with 204 horsepower and a 63 kilowatt-hour battery. You'll get to 100 kilometers per hour in 8.5 seconds, still topping out at 160 kilometers per hour. But if you're really feeling the need for speed, let me introduce you to the Elroq 85. With a whopping 286 horsepower and an 82 kilowatt-hour battery, you can hit 100 kilometers per hour in just 6.6 seconds and reach a maximum speed of 180 kilometers per hour, about 112 miles per hour. And let's not forget that this beauty boasts a range of up to 560 kilometers, about 348 miles. Speaking of charging, the Skoda Elroq features a rapid charging capability that can boost your battery to 80% in just 25 to 28 minutes. Inside the Elroq, you'll find materials made from recycled products. The interior features a sleek digital instrument cluster and a massive 13-inch touchscreen for all your infotainment needs. I mean, if that doesn't scream luxury, I don't know what does. And let's talk about the trunk. The Elroq has a capacity of 470 to 580 liters. That's right, it can handle everything from your weekly grocery haul to your questionable impulse buys from the clearance section. Plus, it has enough compartments for all those random items that always seem to accumulate in your car, like that one odd sock and a bunch of old receipts. Pricing starts at around €33,000, about $35,500, which is a competitive price for an electric vehicle with this kind of style and technology. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community of road warriors as we explore more electrifying vehicles that will have you zipping around town with a smile on your face and a light wallet. Because who needs gas money when you've got an electric ride?